Okay, so if you want to add instances, okay. So let me add some. I will add some polygon plane. With some divisions. Next we need to open our attribute editor of our my Yeti node. Okay. Input objects, add our object here. So this is our, for example, this is your feather. Okay, so you add it. Next we go into, let's remove our texture node. Then and next what you need here, we need to select our polysphere. Next I create an import node. Geometry, okay, yes. So I import my polyplane. Next I create an instance node. Where is it? Instance. So it have also two inputs. Okay. Always check this tab because use as instances is supported. So if you will use this, it will eat a lot of memory. If you will use this, it will be instances and will not eat much memory. So use this one and connect your input here. Okay. And use it. So now we have a lot of, let's decrease it, distribution. Let's, for feathers you will need to relax steps, of course, so create it. Also in instance node you need as elements. Okay. And I forgot, but what we must to set up in up vector, but I think up vector we need like not this one. I just forgot what these values must be. So that it follows our groom. We don't have any groom. So let's delete it. Let's add some. Okay, so this is our groom, so let's connect it. So We have our lens now. Let's add comb node. So it's now we have our direction. And I don't remember what must be this these values. So let me open second Maya. I will open Pigeon and will search for the value. Okay, this is our pigeon scene file. Let it go to texture mode. Okay, here our pigeon. So here our instance. Oh, here how it is. So see, here we have further direction in alignment. This variable, and this variable is a custom attribute, and this custom attribute, I think this one, no, this is scale wing. Let me find it. Feathers, colors. Can't find it. I think it is in this. Here. So here we have this feather direction attribute where when we're doing comp. Okay. And this goes to this instance alignment variable. So let's try on our sphere if it will work. So like this one. Let's see if something will change or not. Not this one. Where is that graph? This one. but something is wrong, and wrong is that up vector is not this one. So I think I need to rotate my polyplane or change let's move it to 1. And I think I need to rotate it to that direction. I think something like that. So, but you should play in this instant node to align them correctly. And there is test scene file in Yeti documents. You can take a look at that scene file, and it will describe. So see this alignment axis. If I will change it, everything will change. So you need just select correct alignment axis. So because right now it is not correct. Where is that again? Okay, so just experiment a little bit with these settings and you will get correct mesh orientation. Also, there is some very cool feature that you can actually distort. So let's create again new scene file quickly. I will create polygon primitives plane. Yeti, create Yeti group on mesh. Let's subdivide it. 5. Let's add it. Now let's create polygon primitives plane. This time let's divide it by 10. Okay, let's like that. So next, sorry. Next we need to add our Yeti node on mesh. We need to add our groom. This one, set groom. We need to add our mesh. That polyplane 2. Next we need to open graph, import, scatter, grow, import. This will be our not Jet grow. And here we may specify it as well polyplane 1, grow. Okay. Next we need comb. Okay. And next we need to add our instance node. But we need to import our object. So this will be geometry, but polyplane 2. So this goes here. We need not points but elements. So let's now experiment with settings. Where is it? Okay. So up direction X. So something like this one. But I need to move it a little bit. Not this one. Polyplane. Something like this one, and let's make it something like this one. Okay. Let's move it so the pivot point is there. Okay. And you can actually distort your instances according to your groom. So in object you have this deform tab, so you can plug in, and as you see it has some bugs sometime, but basically it's working, so you can use it as well. So this one I don't know what is this, but we can I think we can fix it. So it is some strange thing, but you can what I was going to tell you, that you can distort your feathers accordingly to your whites. So you will need just to experiment a little bit, okay, Prakash? So to find the best way that will help you to create a pigeon. Because even in this one, so I had some problems in this scene file here, for example. So see, it is pretty good aligned, yes, so this feathers, so it is, but I had some problems here. So these feathers are not bended across my whites. So basically I painted attributes to make these feathers how to say, smaller, so that at render time it was not visible that we have these errors here. But maybe you will find some other way. Okay, so just experiment a little bit and I think you will find solution. Okay. Okay, so hope it was helpful for you both. It will help you with your models. If anything, you will have any problems, ask me and I will try to help you in the process.